feeling very confident. I'm really looking forward to going inside. I've waited 7 years to do this, so it's my second time running, and Ireland needs somebody who's going to make Ireland great again, and I think I'm that person. I think I might be on at about 20 to 8 or 20 to 7, but that could all change, you know, if candidates drop out at last minute. So I'm prepared anyway to wait all day and all night if I have to.
You've got 5 minutes to make your pitch. What issues are you going to be addressing?
Well, first and foremost, obviously, illegal immigration. We have a serious issue with that. We've got a lot of imported crime that's going on here in Ireland. When we look at Aisling Murphy, when we look at the poor lady that was running in East Wall, she was literally attacked. All she did was run, and thankfully that person was caught. So yeah, I'm totally against imported crime, so I'll be speaking a bit about that. You know, we have to look after Ireland's safety first and foremost, and if we don't have safety for our Irish citizens, what do we have? What don't we have? We need to close our borders, and we need to make Ireland safe again. Okay. I'm doing this because I think I have a right to speak. I'm an independent candidate, and I think really the whole system is corrupt and it needs to be dismantled and changed, because my voice is just as important as anybody they decide to put forward.